Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you out there. Yeah, Monster 2020 new Bluetooth headphones in-ear version. This looks nice, isn't it? Wow, it is compatible with Bluetooth 5.0. It is a headset, wireless earbuds, Cableless wireless Bluetooth headphones with portable charging box. And this box is awesome. This is a 40th anniversary outstanding creation. The luxurious appearance is attractive. Wireless headphones with high sound quality, Pure HIFI Bluetooth headphones, high sound, yeah, good quality, it's really good quality, of course. It is not so expensive, and it has, for this, not so expensive when it has good quality. This is right. Noise cancelling, super clear call, metal charging case, and voice messages possible. It is fully wireless because you will not need any wire except a wire to get energy into the charging box, of course. But the earbuds itself will not need any wire. Yeah. New Bluetooth 5.0, and you have a wireless stable connection. The Giteki number is R210-133415. Enjoy MONSTER's rich and spacious stereo sound. The sound structure and this clear sound technology are produced by two 6mm high-performance drivers. High-resolution headphones with Bluetooth. High-quality hi-fi headphones sending the standard stereo sound. Oh, right and left earbud will have a team playing thing that will get you the stereo sound over it. It supports so many devices, iOS, Android, Windows, etc. Ergonomic design, movement is not limited. You can rotate the headphones to the most comfortable position as needed. Ooh, yeah. Precision, find highlights with one hand only use because it has a touch screen. Oh, not a screen, it's a touch area on it, okay? And realize, well, fit in the ear. IPX5 fully wireless headphones, which are going to be waterproof. That means you can have a run out there in rain, no problem. You can have a workout in the gym, no problem. Oh yeah, but do not go swimming with them. This is not okay. It's only IPX5. It is not for going down under the ocean water level. It allows you to wear it in rain or sports activities. 360 degrees rotatable. It can be placed at any angle, fully charged once. It can be played for 6 hours once. If it's charged with the charging case, it can be played up to 25 hours. That means you have a power horse with the charging case, and inside there is so much power because there's the built-in battery in it. American high-performance battery, and this you can use to charging your earbuds. So you can play it all the time. 25 hours, that means one night and one day. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Convenient and comfortable to use, not worrying that the battery is low. If you don't need it, put it in the charging case and it will automatically turn off and automatically get the power inside. These are the latest headphones with Bluetooth 5.0 automatic pairing, hands-free headphones, built-in microphone, one-button play. The built-in microphone will let you enter into Alexa services, in Google services by voice, and of course Siri. No problem with these headphones because it has a built-in microphone. One button play, pause, play previous track, play next track, voice control, answer calls, enter calls, reject calls, Siri, Alexa starts, etc. Everything is possible. Playback and call and be controlled via both of the headphones. That means it's really easy. It's so easy. You only need your fingers, tip on it, job's done. With intelligent breathing light, pleasant to touch, rotating metal housing, and holy treasure of relaxation. Oh yeah, there it is. The Monster's product development department has used years of audio design experience to create the high-performance Monster earbuds, cables, and accessories. Monster, the audio industry leader. I don't know, it's the leader of them? Okay, the Monster are the leaders out there. Awesome. Find various highlights with more consistency and complex curved patterns. Just the right finish and pure texture are the best. And this is the 40th anniversary creative item. Designed for stress relief, rotatable metal casing design is sacred device of relaxation. It has an auto power on and off and auto pairing mode, Bluetooth 5.0 technology, enjoy the easy high speed and uninterrupted pairing connection. Simply take the earphones out of the case. It will connect to your device automatically if you have Bluetooth enabled on your smartphone or your iPad or your computer with Bluetooth connection, etc. And of course, you have to pair it first time by going inside your smartphone, for example, go to the Bluetooth options and choose this headset. Then after this it will connect automatically. Yeah, no problem. Enjoy up to 24 hours with a charging case. Once charged, plays for 6 hours. 3 times full charging by the charging cage itself. Monster pattern stereo sound provides rich and spacious feeling to us. The Monster sound structure and the self-developed high-performance 6mm driver unit make music and no less more precious. Hi-Fi, high sound quality, more clear, stable and balanced. Stereo binaural core, Monster's original technology. With intelligent noise cancelling function, the noise around is suppressed in hands-free core. Ergonomic design, movement is not limited. We could twist the earphones until they are sturdy and comfortable. Separate in ear, playing, pause, track, backward, track forward, volume control, answer, and call, reject call, voice message, Siri, luxurious, attractive appearance is in it. We can enjoy an amazing time. Oh yeah, and an amazing life, of course. You can use them. Get it out of the box. Then pair it with your smartphone, for example. And after this, you will only need to play back MP3s or play a movie as seen in this video, and then if you touch once on the right side it will stop. If you touch once on the left side it will stop or play the music. If you do this twice you can go forward. If you do that twice on the left side you can go backward, and so on. There are so many intuitive things you can do with your fingers on the earbud itself. It's really easy to connect, it's really easy to use, and it has a nice sound. And it plays up to 25 hours. You have 500 milliampere hour battery capacity in it. 300 songs, 10 movies, 1.5 hours of charging. That is enough. Only 1.5 hours. Hi-Fi live sound. Oh yeah, enjoy it. It's really nice. culture style in only 6.5 gram. Fashion looking, first class design. And it's a simple hands-free call option. So you can only use it by your fingers, and it's so easy. 360 degrees rotatable, place it in any angle as you like. If you feel it comfort, leave it there. Whoa. Then connect it to your smartphone and have fun with it. Go walking, go hiking, go jogging, go running, go as you like what you're going to do. Have a fitness workout for a couple of hours, no problem, because it's waterproof. These are the Monsters 2020 new headphones out there. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.